Guten Tag, ich heiße Camille, ich studiere europäische Sprachen an der Universität den Philippinen. Mein Hauptfach ist Französisch und mein Nebenfach ist Deutsch. So, you've already heard me speaking in French, but if any German speaker would hear me, oh my god, what a shame, because I I know my German is bad. The thing is, I'm gonna take a B1 course this coming semester and I'm stuck with level A1. It's already February 1 now and the class will start on February 7. So, yeah. Thing is, in general, when you try to learn a language and you don't do it continuously and without, me having opportunities to really use the language, then it's kind of difficult to get the grasp of it. I know that I kind of got the French accent when I tried to speak in German, and I'll try to relearn it then. So yeah, this is how I'm planning to do it because I also got stuck with French before. And I love reading books, so what I did was just I followed the book that we were using. It was Alter Ego Plus. And so that's what I used. I just followed the grammar lessons because I kinda believe that the language is really more on input. Because that's what I did when I reviewed my French before when I got stuck. I just sat in a cafe for several hours and just, did some exercises. But the thing is that, for the French pronunciation, I already got the hang of it. It's like I remember how we properly pronounce words in French, so it's okay for me to just read because, I know how to read them properly. But I don't think that's the case for me in German. So, what we use in the university is Studio A1, Studio B1, stuff like that, or Studio 21, so something like that. I was planning originally to follow that, but then it's a different case for German with me because my pronunciation is bad and I want to change it, and so I need to hear like more German speakers, and that's why for reviewing German, what I'm gonna do is to follow the Deutsche Welle course. Luckily, they have a lot of resources online. Yeah, I can watch the video and then do the activities afterwards, which is very great. And yeah, that's what I'm planning to do, and I'm gonna film the progress. I wanna try to do it every day because I have no choice. I have a choice, but then I just choose to really review my German because I really want to learn it properly or really, learn it this time. So I can understand more stuff. Yeah. Um, and also, I actually tried relearning it last year. I'm using the same website that I told you about. And yeah, I'm gonna show you. I even made like a mini document. And of course, I stopped. But yeah, that's life. So I'm gonna show you that.
So yeah, there, to be able to show you the document, I'll be using Zoom because what else should I use? Just kidding. I don't know what else to use. Anyway, this is also what I'm gonna use when I teach later, which is gonna be in like 20 minutes. I'll just show you real quick. There's the document that I even entitled Deutsch lernen. Dieses Dokument enthält meine eigene Überprüfung der deutschen Sprache. Los geht's. Go girl. I took a placement test on learngerman.dw.com. There. So, and like I told you, I was stuck in A1. You see? Yeah, I took it der 3 Mai 2021 am Montag 24:33 Uhr. Shucks, I still remember numbers. Kidding. And that's what I got before. 79%. And yeah, recommended course level. I already kind of started before, but I stopped again for like several months because, as you know, I was busy doing the thesis. And working full time and stuff like that. So I didn't really have time, and I wasn't taking German courses before either. And yeah, I even like took note of the things that I have to review for myself: prepositions, vocabs, gender of nouns. And this important note: das Hilfsverb, das Hilfsverb sollte in der zweiten Position stehen. Das Hauptverb, das Hauptverb sollte am Ende des Satzes stehen. Again, I'm sorry for the German speakers out there who would be so unfortunate to hear me speaking in German right now. So here, and then I kind of took note, I think, of this one, of the conjugations. Presens, ich esse Wurst. Wurst is really my example. Ich esse keine Wurst in the negative. Essen Sie Wurst? Was essen Sie? And then imperfect. Yeah, past, no? Kind of remember this. Ich habe Wurst gegessen. Ich habe keine Wurst gegessen. Haben Sie Wurst gegessen? Was haben Sie gegessen? And then future. Ich werde Wurst essen. Ich werde, du wirst, er, sie, wir werden, ihr werdet, sie werden. Ich werde keine Wurst essen. Werden Sie Wurst essen? Was werden Sie essen? I didn't even take the time to like change the food. It's been always Wurst in all of the examples. But yeah, so now what I'll be doing then is to retake first the placement test, and then I'm gonna start with the activities based on the results.
So there, what I'm planning to do then is to retake the placement test as if I'm gonna be placed in but yeah, I'm gonna retake it just to, I just want to retake it. And do the activities based on the results. And then, yeah, try to review my German from there. Gonna try my best. We can do this. And I'll update you then.